Hey guys, and today we're gonna look at this $50 one fan blower from AliExpress. If the video is helpful, please consider to like, subscribe and comment. Let's start with quick unboxing. The box is extremely unrepresentative and just have some labels and that's it. No logo, nothing. And you see that, right? See that? So what we have inside? Inside we have instruction manual for lithium electric tools operation instructions, basically for a lot of tools that this Yofidra ecosystem has, right? Then the main body, it's actually pretty light, so the main body is only, let's check, 500, I hope you can see it, right? 546 grams. Next we have two batteries. For example, my set was with two batteries. They're pretty big and pretty heavy. From my understanding, they have some protection from like overheating or over discharge. Almost 900 grams. I don't know how much it is in freedom units, but I will write it somewhere here. Two batteries and nozzle. So you can use this nozzle to, some kind of extension, and you use it to guide the air. Fit it. With some energy. So you can use this nozzle to guide the air on a longer distance, on a further distance from you. But for the car also, technically I think you can use it, right? I didn't use it today. Overall, this, and very difficult to take it off actually. And also you have the charger with EU plug, but if you write the seller like, hey, can you send the US plug, he will send you the US plug. And this is the full operation mode. You can check the charge with this button. So 3. Also you can change the modes here on top with your battery power. And the total weight, operation weight, will be, put it in the center, 1,438 grams, so like 1.4 kilograms. Pretty heavy to wheel it like this, especially because all the weight is here on the bottom part. Can we move it? Yes, we can. And also the method of charging is same as Yofidra pressure washer and others. You have this plug on top of your battery. Now let's look at the two examples, on one of which I'm just having fun, and on a second one we are testing the thrust. Finally, let's start using it on a real car. And first thing first, it is powerful, just look at the water. Wow! But if your car is not coated, it is very difficult to dry it, and this is only because the water has too much tension. So you need to coat your car before drying it with this device. I found it helpful to use it to dry nooks and crannies, like behind the mirrors, around the door handles, and so on. The second thing is that it is very, very loud. Really, you need some kind of earplugs to work with it. Here on the hood you can see that the water just doesn't want to move at all. Actually, previously we had the polisher from the same manufacturer. It was pretty good. For example, it is very useful to use it here, right around your mirrors, to just blast off all the trapped water behind the mirrors, behind these like curtains, and all around like small tight spaces. The third thing, I would say it is pretty heavy. As you've seen before, it is like 1.4 kilograms, and it is constantly pushing 1.6 kilograms because you're working on a full thrust. That's why it is pretty difficult to handle it. And I had a problem with overheating actually, because it was plus 36 outside in a Celsius. It worked for around like 10 minutes, like all around the car, small pieces, but then I just started feeling the heat in the handle and the battery, and like around 12-minute mark, it just died. As you can see here, after 12 minutes of constant use on a high power, it has just died. Or as I thought, because actually later at home I've checked and the battery was full. So yeah, it just overheated and went to the protection mode. So what are my final thoughts? I think it is a pretty good device for home use, for car use, if your car is coated, or if you will use it to dry after your drying towel, just to dry your handles, to dry around your mirrors. I think it is great device, especially for the price. You get two batteries that compatible with, for example, Yofidra devices like pressure washers, Onevan polisher. Actually, you can check out the video like in the link in the description. So yeah, in my opinion, it is a pretty good device. Maybe not powerful enough to clean the to dry the whole car if it's not coated, but if it's coated, I don't think you will have like big problems to dry it out. I hope the video was useful for you. If yes, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and ask me any questions.